Okay, so I already want to wrap up. So for us, and hopefully for you, like transfer learning is really democratizing AI. That's actually not like buzz or something. I saw it like on our own, with our own experience, and I'm a huge fan of it because doesn't matter. Because you don't have to share your proprietary data, you don't have to share the results that you get from the actual, from your retrained results, but you can share the computation graph, maybe the optimization method, and the parameters with it, so everyone wins in the end. Academia can produce best models, whatever they have, and they are like also academia is interested to get like stress tested, right, and get feedback back without sharing confidential data. So that works, and also I think transfer learning is like a stepping stone towards really composable AI. So that you have one model that does the cognition, all right. There's some other model that does it better. You swap those models. You have an interface where transfer learning is like more formalized. Then we're getting to composable AI. And at some point in time, perfect audio video for every conference. It's like the blue screen, right? It reminds me of something. I don't know. That's, yeah, really.
It's a MacBook in a Microsoft building. But it is in PowerPoint, right?
Yeah. Get all the blame. Yeah, actually, I should be really grateful for Microsoft because all the labeling and the recommendation ran on Azure, so that's good. We need some more compute. Where are the Microsoft guys?
Oh? They already left.
What?
Oh, they come back.
Okay. Okay. Well.
Looks better. No. It's another blue. No.
I should be really quick now if it comes up. Well, anyhow, let's.
Yeah. Maybe you can just still let's zero.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Where are we actually? Transfer learning. Democratizing AI. Right. Exactly. That's theoretical anyhow. Yeah, one thing I should not forget, to aggregate all like models under confidentiality guarantee. Anyone heard of you like federated learning, something like that? Yes? Who? I want to talk to you. Okay. In the browser, yeah. And yeah, with the text, like the T9 stuff, yeah? Cool. Yeah. And you will see a lot of these enabling technologies in healthcare, maybe in self-driving cars, you know, where we share really strong scenarios with each other to make self-driving cars better without revealing the ground truth data. So there's a lot of collaborative potential through technology, which is why I want to speak to you, actually. And to learn more from that, follow the Open Mind project, or actually engage yourself. It's open source. It does federated learning. It's like on the frontier of this stuff. And it's now associated with DeepMind. It's really cool. So to wrap up, I think we should teach a machine in such a way that if it sees one dish, or one plant, or one car, or whatever, one single example, it should already understand and follow in the real world. So the ultimate goal for us is like one-shot learning. I think that's a laudable goal, because if you don't have anything else to do, like explore this data, give me some insights, okay, then reduce the data intensity, I think, is always a good goal. And as we've partly seen, data science is maybe only 20% of the work, but the payoff is extremely nonlinear. So if the recommender algorithm would be right 51% of the time, it wouldn't surprise the labelers, our colleagues. They would just say, it gets in the way, and, well, I expected that. That was easy. And you have to go beyond that. You have to cross the boundary of surprising humans, like beyond 80, whatever the percentage is. And once you do that, it really pays off. Those 20% pay off. And no one will ask you for something if you track a car or something with 80% like accuracy. Yeah? That's not the goal. So yes, 20% are well worth. The work must be perfect in this way. And yes, one more learning. If you have the iteration pipeline, make it collaborative, real time. If you have human in the loop, and also you don't want to have data exploration be tedious. So in our system, actually, each scene of video that you can replay with different models is just one SQL query away. So you query the videos and can replay with different models. That's how effortless you should do, so you can improve faster. You have to make this really cheap to do. Yes, and happy to answer questions. And if you want to work with us, I don't know if that's allowed, but I did it. Sorry. Thanks.
So let's see if the break is enough to fix the technology. But other than that, do we have questions? Okay, over there.